Well, grabe ang controversial na inabot ni Paolo Valenciano matapos itong magsalita hinggil sa naging problema kay Rico Blanco sa natapos na music festival sponsored by JBL, kung saan ang direktor nga dito ay si Paolo Valenciano. Viral ang kanyang naging post at mentioning the name of Rico Blanco. Aniya, I sincerely apologize to our client JBL and to my brothers from Cup of Joe, to everyone who was there. Sorry or super sorry, and to Rico, my hero, while I sincerely wish you the best, I've learned that we're simply not meant to work together again. Dahil nga sa pag-drop ng name ni Rico Blanco, ni Direktor Paolo, ay nagkaroon ang question ng mga netizen. Nagkaroon ba ng problema? Which is, hindi naman nila nalaman yon dahil enjoy naman sila. Well, narito po ang naging reaksyon ng mga netizen at tila ito po ay puro negative feedback sa naging post na ito ni Paolo Valenciano. Say nila, then why post about this issue? Shouldn't you have just messaged the parties involved to support your idea of handling this kind of matter privately? Now, with your added chismis, since you're basically sharing second and information, you added another angle which adds another shadow to what, according to you, should be the success of the event. Say ng isa, I'm in the event, kita namang nagka-tech issue, then sinipa ni Rico yung instrument, sabay sinabihan lahat ng tech na umalis na lang ng stage and hindi tapos ang setlist niya. Narito pa ang say ng ilan, anila, maybe other company will not be working with Paolo in the future either. At ang ilan ay sinabing, now I am curious, agree such matter should have been kept private na lang. Ito pa ang say ng ilan. I may be against what Rico did, but yes, these things should have been resolved privately. Tanong ng isa, against what? Covering up for a late artist and not honoring him as headliner based on poster and ticket. You should ask JBL who the headliners is, they know better. Kung makikita nyo po kasi sa ticket, at doon sa poster ay si Rico Blanco ang nakasentro. So meaning, si Rico Blanco ang last na magpe-perform. Sa ticket, makikita nyo din ang malaking pangalan ni Rico Blanco. Say pa ng ilang mga netizen, I think it's because it's not the first time this happened, so dapat lang talagang i-call out. That's why he said, we're simply not meant to work together again. Narito pa ang patotoo ng isa pang, I think, organizer. Anaya, yep, the young director should have chosen less drama. I had a traumatic event involving the case last October but kept quiet even if they deserve to be reported to the Bureau of Immigration. I think KSP pa siya, kulang sa exposure or simply maangas na talaga siya para mag-create ng ingay. Nagpasalamat din ang JBL nitong December 7 at anila, thank you for attending JBL Soundfest 2025 and for sharing such amazing energy with us last night. We're so grateful to everyone who showed up and had a great time. We also want to sincerely apologize for the delays and inconveniences you experienced. Despite the challenges, we'd like to give our appreciation to the production team for doing their best throughout the night. We're taking this as a chance to learn and improve so we can make your future experiences smoother and better. Rest assured that we heard you. Thank you for your patience, understanding, and unwavering support. Well, narito pa ang isang mensahe. Say nila Lane, actually wala namang magiging issue since kaming mga nanood is hindi naman siya napansin na may ganun pala. Kaso yung director po is nag-post instead na nag-approach na lang ng private. Same like sa Jonah concert, just saying. And expected ko din talaga na si Rico Blanco ang last. Thank you JBL Philippines sa super gandang lineup ng singers mula umpisa hanggang dulo. Kaming mga ante nananatiling nakatayo. PS sana next time hindi nauubusan ng tubig at hindi sobrang haba ang lineup ng mga cart. Actually sa comment section sa 100% ay walang nagsabi against kay Rico. Siguro sa 100% mayroon lamang 5% na nagsasabing may issue kay Rico pero 95% the rest ay puro negative feedback na nga kay Paolo Valenciano. Actually siya po ay naikumpara pa sa direktor na si John Prats na sa tagal-tagal na raw na direktor kahit kailan ay hindi nagkaroon ng mga ganitong shades sa social media. Anila, Mukhang marami pang kakaining bigas si Paolo Valenciano sa pagiging professional. Yan ang ating showbiz snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.